My most memorable experience in working with Thomas Financial, very frankly, was the first meeting that I had with him, and my entire attitude when I left. I don't think that's something that anyone will ever forget. I think it changes your entire attitude on insurance, on the necessity of it, on dealing with a very sincere personality, which is what Rick really is.
A lot of our clients are closely held businesses, and a lot of them are family businesses. And the chief objective is to keep the business in the family. And when you look at life insurance, it's a very economical purchase. It costs pennies on the dollar, and it's available the day you need it.
We're using a couple of different products of Thomas Financial, but I'll say more importantly, we're using the products for some of the key personnel of the university. So it indicates, I'll say, the importance that we place upon the company and products and services.
Life insurance is a good asset class that we can use for basically for investment purposes. You can save a lot of money on an income tax-free basis in a life insurance contract. You can accumulate it tax-free, withdraw it tax-free under the current tax law. You have income tax-free death benefits. You're able to get the death proceeds out of your taxable estate if you want to.
When you structure it properly, they're uniquely surprised to see how it can really continue to help pass wealth down for not just their first or second generation, but third, fourth, fifth generation on down for years to come.
I've got a couple products in which guaranteed value products in which I've tried to make sure that I know they're going to be there at the right time. I bought an annuity product through Thomas Financial. I've kind of varied the products that I own, basically because now I'm not just in the business of trying to protect my spouse, but I'm also in the business of trying to protect my kids and make sure the kids have enough for their education, have enough for their startup, and then try to actually wealth build into my estate. And so that's why I guess I probably have 3 different products today that I've purchased through Thomas Financial.
The important thing is as we sold this insurance and had these reviews and proprietary products and all the things that go with it, at the end of the day, we're accountable for making sure these things work out for these families.
Our ability to deliver a claim that goes back into their business allows them to continue with their business and ultimately goes back into our community at large, and the economy at large can really be one of the most fulfilling things we do in our firm and as a professional in this industry.
My father did pass away, and within days I received a check amply large enough to pay all the estate taxes and fulfill all my obligations as executor of this estate.
So you have to look ahead and think about the future, or frankly, you don't have a future.